Hello everyone and welcome to Code Override. In this video, we will be downloading and setting up the Java development toolkit so that we'll be able to compile and execute our Java application. To check to see if you already have a version of the Java JDK set up on your machine, we can use the terminal or the command prompt to see if we can successfully execute the java-version command. If you're on Windows, you can go ahead and use the Windows search feature and type in cmd, and then you can open up an instance of the command prompt. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and use git bash just because I have set it up where we can clearly see the text. So I'm going to click on git bash here. Now type in the command java-version. And it's going to say that Java command not found. If you were using the command prompt, it's going to say something like Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. In any case, it just means that we don't have the Java development toolkit properly set up on our machine. So let's go ahead and set one up. Now, the first thing you want to do is open up a browser of your choosing. I'm going to go ahead and use a Firefox. I'm going to make this bigger. So what we want to do is type jdk.java.net/14. As of this recording, the current JDK version is 14.0.1. And we're going to be setting up the OpenJDK implementation of the Java compiler. If you want to go ahead and use the Oracle version, then you will need a subscription if you want to go ahead and build enterprise Java applications. In this case, OpenJDK is free and open source, so you can use this for whatever development purposes without having to pay for anything. Now, let's go ahead and click on the link. The OpenJDK comes archived. So if you are on Linux or on Mac, you will get the tar.gz file. If you're on Windows, then you will need to get the zip file. Now we're going to go ahead and click on the zip file and then click on, it should be on save, and then hit OK. Once it's done downloading, I'm going to go ahead here first and minimize this, and then I'm just going to go ahead and drag this and drop this up on my desktop, and then I can close this. We need to go ahead and extract all. You're going to get a windows that look just like this. Now hit extract. Once it's done extracting, you can take the JDK-14.0.1 folder and drag it and drop it under your C drive. So we're just gonna put it in the root of your C drive. And if you look in there, you should have this in here. Now click on it and go into the bin folder and copy the directory. Now go to the search feature on Windows and search for environment. And you'll see it says edit the environment variables. You're gonna click on that, and then you're going to get a Windows that look just like this. Now click on environment variable. We have user variables and then we have system variables. In this case, I want to set up a user variable for the Java_home. A lot of IDEs use this to figure out the Java path, and also build tools like Maven need to figure out where to look at the Java JDK paths to build projects. So we're going to go ahead and create a new spot here, and then we're going to save it as we're going to name it as Java_home, and then we're going to go ahead and paste that directory here, but without the /bin. So take that off and hit OK. Now what you want to do is scroll down and look for path. Now you're going to hit edit and then scroll down and create new. And then you're going to paste that here as well. Hit OK, hit OK, hit OK. And we can close this now. I'm going to go ahead and open up a new version of the terminal. If I type Java-version you can see that we get OpenJDK version 14.0.1. In the next video, what we're going to do is set up in IntelliJ IDE, and we'll be able to create our first Java project. We're going to go ahead and walk through the Java compilation process as well. All right, guys, this will be it for this video. If you enjoy the video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel.